Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge your phone, your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 during DeX mode. You can see I have like 21%, so it would be worth plugging the phone into charging so it doesn't die. And for that, it depends whether your phone is connected with USB-C to a monitor, because some monitors support USB-C, and maybe you just have it connected straight to the monitor with USB-C. Then like you don't have any USB-C port on your phone now, like the only one that you have is occupied with that USB-C cable. So what you can do is get a USB-C splitter, and that USB-C splitter will simply split one USB-C to two USB-Cs, and like it's called either splitter or USB-C hub, and basically make sure that that splitter or hub supports data transfer first of all, so it does support the monitor. And then also like you can just simply plug in the charger to one port and the monitor to the other port. Now if you have it connected with HDMI, then what I would recommend is getting a hub like this. You can see it's quite big and it has multiple ports. It has USB-C for charging. It says PD here. I don't know if you can see it, but it says PD, which means power delivery. Then there's HDMI port that I have currently plugged in, and some other ports that also come in handy. But the most important is that I have at least one HDMI so I can connect it to the monitor, and at least one USB-C port that supports power delivery so I can charge the phone. And now let's just plug the USB-C cable in. I have it already plugged into charging. Let's see if it charges, because I'm not sure if like my brick is functional. Yeah, you can see it has started charging, and that's how you charge your phone during DeX mode. As simple as it is. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.